Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an eye look. I have the rest of my makeup done and I kind of just wanted to sit down and create a really pretty eye look for you guys. Valentine's Day is around the corner and of course this is not only applying to Valentine's Day. You can wear this look whenever you want. But because it's around the corner, I thought why not do a really pretty soft romantic eye. I don't want to do, red lips and bold pink colors. I want to do something like a lot more wearable and that's going to make you look very fresh, ethereal, young, romantic. I got really inspired by the new Kathleen lights and Colourpop eye pigments. This is called the Scales, which is the Libra one, and that is what I am. So love that. I thought this would look gorgeous on the lids, and then I was like, you know what? Imagine this on the lids, not too much happening in the crease, and then some really pretty lashes and a soft pinky lip. I hope you guys enjoy and let's just jump into it. For my matte shadows and anything I'm putting in my crease, I'm going to be using the Morphe and James Charles palette. So with a little fluffy brush, I'm taking a Flashback and Canvas, mixing those two shades together, which make like a really nice soft nude color. And I'm going to place this underneath my brow bone just to give us like a nice starting base. I'm taking a little bit of Pinkity Drinkity, which is a very soft baby pink color. And I'm just going to throw this into my crease just to get like a very slight pink wash in there. Let me know in the comments if you guys celebrate Valentine's Day. I feel like, I've been with my boyfriend, well, fiance for almost 10 years now. And we definitely would celebrate Valentine's Day for the first couple years, and I feel like after that we never really got into it and really don't celebrate it that much anymore. We don't really get each other gifts. I totally forgot to tell you guys what I was doing before I jumped into it, but I'm taking the shade Mary and I'm just going to start deepening up the crease a little bit. Like I was saying, we don't really celebrate Valentine's Day. I mean, sometimes they'll get me flowers, but like we don't really go all out or go anywhere. We'll make dinner at home and just like enjoy the day together. I want to keep this look pretty soft, so I don't want to go too deep in the crease, but I'm going to take a little bit of this shade. I think it's called Boutique, and I'm just going to focus this right on the outer parts. I'm not going to bring it up too high. I just want a little bit of definition right on the ends. I'm also taking the shade Boutique on the lower lash line. I'm going to take a little bit more of Pinkity Drinkity and I'm just going to sweep this into my crease just to make sure everything is blended out. I think I'm pretty happy with the shadows on my lid. Now I'm going to go into the little eye pigment from Colourpop and Kathleen lights. This color is so pretty. I am going to use this wet because by itself it's really pretty, but gives you like a slight little wash of shimmer, if you guys can tell. But when you kind of have a mixing medium or like a cream base or anything like that, these are really gonna pop. This is the first time I'm using this shadow, so kind of testing it out. Oh, that is so beautiful. Wow. Okay, so definitely using it wet works out really nicely. Oh my goodness, that is so gorgeous. I just took my Fix Plus, sprayed my brush, and then dipped into the powder, and it just gives this really beautiful metallic look. Yeah, this is exactly the look I was going for. This is beautiful. It's like really ethereal, very glowy and soft. Look at how beautiful this shadow looks on the back of my hand. Oh my gosh. So the lashes I'm going to be wearing are the Ardell Double Up lashes. They have a clear band, which honestly, I feel like that's like the only type of lash I can comfortably wear because I don't know, like the thick bands, like they poke my eye. I feel like it's so hard for me to wear them. So these are the lashes, but I do feel like I need a little bit of kind of like a liner on the top, just so when I put the lash on, it kind of, we don't have like a obvious false lash line, if that makes any sense. But instead of going in with like a harsh black liner, I'm going to take a little bit of the Benny shadow from the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm going to use this to just gently press into my lash line, kind of create a more smoky liner effect. There we have like one eye done. It definitely makes it like a lot more smoky, adds a little bit of definition to the eye. Now I'm going to do a few coats of mascara on my top and bottom lashes. I'm going to take this Dose of Colors eyeliner in the shade Teddy, and I'm going to place that in my waterline. Alright, so now I add the lash, and I think I'm definitely going to have to trim these a little bit because they might be a little bit too long. But I love the way these look. They're like really fluttery. It just doesn't want to sit like a normal lash on my eye. So let me trim these really quick and pop one on my eye. This weather is really interesting. Literally like 5 minutes ago, it was blue skies. There was a full-on rainbow, and now it's like dark, gloomy, and pouring rain. Okay, which also means that my lighting has changed because this room is a lot darker than when I started. So we're just gonna ignore that. But I do love the rain. All right, I am going to shove this lash on my eyes. The lashes took me a lot longer than it should have. Like, I don't know why I was struggling so hard, but what I did is I kind of filled in the inner corners with black liner, and I kind of added black in my waterline, and I kind of went over with that shadow, the Benny shadow, just to kind of like mattify the glue area. So hopefully that looks decent. Wow, I'm like I don't really wear lashes very often, so it took me quite a while. But I do really like these lashes a lot. They're like really wispy and flirty, and I like how my eyes look in them. So last step is the lips. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I actually went in with the pink Colourpop mascara and I applied that to my lower lashes. I think it actually looks so pretty like that. It was just kind of like sitting on my vanity and I was like, why not? So for my lip combo, I'm gonna go in with the Dose of Colors lip liner in the shade Delight, and I'm gonna top it with the Makiage lipstick in the shade Pink Lady. So this is the final look. I have to say I love how it came out. I feel super pretty. I think the look is just beautiful. I love the shadow on my lid. I haven't really played with any other colors and I'm very excited to because these pigments are gorgeous. I love all the tones together. I feel like the lashes just like added like a glam effect, but like still very soft, and just overall I think it's super pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's like more like short and sweet, but I wanted to give you guys like a little Valentine's Day inspired look. I mean, you don't have to wear it on Valentine's Day. You can wear this look whenever you'd like. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. As usual, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, mesijesibeauty, Instagram, Makeup by Jesi. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so before you go, and also hit that little bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. With all that said, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!